Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how you can log in your Dodo Pizza account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Dodo Pizza app. So once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So here, simply select the country you are from. And once you have selected it, you will end up in this interface where you need to type in your location as well. So once you have selected the location as well, hit the continue button, and once you have done this, all you have to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner. So after tapping on it, you need to now sign in into your profile by entering your phone number. So simply tap on enter your phone number and type in your phone number along with the country code. So once you have typed in the phone number as well, you can simply tap on the continue button, and after doing this, you need to provide some further verification to verify that you are the specific person trying to log in into your own account. So after doing this, you can get logged in into your Dodo Pizza. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.